Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate Boost Mobile eSIM in 2025 step by step. So step 1, make sure that your device is eSIM compatible. Most modern iPhones and newer Android devices like Pixel or Galaxy models can support eSIM. Step 2, go to boostmobile.com/eSIM or open the Boost Mobile app. If you are switching from a physical SIM, you may need to log into your account. Step 3, choose Activate New Line or switch to eSIM depending on your case. Enter your phone's IMEI number, and then you can find it in Settings, About Phone, or by dialing asterisk hashtag number 06 hashtag. And step 4, once you verify that, you will receive a QR code or activation details. If you are using the Boost app, it may auto-activate the eSIM in the background. Step 5, you can go to your phone settings and tap Add eSIM or use QR code. You can scan the QR code from Boost or enter the activation info manually. Step 6, confirm the download, assign the eSIM to your primary line, and restart your phone if needed. And then mobile data and calls should now work on your end. And now, your Boost Mobile eSIM is fully activated and ready to use in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.